Are you looking for a quick and easy recipe that's packed with flavors and nutrients? This chicken green bean stir fry is a game changer.
You will only need 19 minutes.
We'll be using chicken breasts today, but you can replace them with chicken thighs. Cut the chicken breast against the grain into about 1/4-inch slices. Chicken breast has long muscle fibers. If you slice them along the grain, the cooked chicken will be tougher and chewier. Place them in a mixing bowl.
Here's how to velvet chicken to make it extra tender.
First, add salt, which helps break down the protein by targeting muscle fibers and collagen. Mix until the chicken has fully absorbed the salt. White pepper helps to reduce the gamey taste. Rice wine also helps to reduce the gamey taste. Soy sauce adds a nice color and taste to the chicken. Cornstarch seals the juice of the chicken inside, so it will be extra tender. Oil helps the chicken not sticking to each other. Mix everything thoroughly. Marinate for at least 5 minutes. For the green beans, trim off the 2 ends and cut them in half. Cut the onion into cubes. Mince the ginger. Mince the garlic.
Every ingredient in the sauce has a purpose.
Soy sauce adds saltiness. Dark soy sauce adds color. Oyster sauce adds a rich umami taste. Chicken stock provides moisture. Cornstarch slurry thicken the sauce. We have here 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. In a wok over high heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil and the marinated chicken. Stir fry until completely cooked through for about 3 minutes. Remove. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil and the green beans. Stir fry until softened. Followed by the onion, ginger, and garlic. Stir fry until aromatic for about 10 seconds. Return the chicken and add the sauce. Toss everything together. The chicken is so tender and the green beans have just the right amount of crunch. Cooking a healthy meal doesn't have to be time-consuming at all. If you like to make super tasty cashew chicken, check out the video right here.
Absolutely delicious. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. And please comment below and let me know what are your favorite ways to cook chicken. Bye!